அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி அகவல் explanatory notes given by Swami Sarvanananda. Heading 54. The grace of the temple is more than a good mother's affection. அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி அகவல் lines 107 and 108. ஈன்ற நற்றாயினும் இனிய பெருந்தயவு ஆன்ற சிற்றபையில் அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி. Explanation by Swami Sarvanananda of Dindukal. A mother's affection towards a child is great. To a child, there are two kinds of mothers. One is the actual mother who has given birth to the child, and the other one, who looks after and rears the child, is called a foster mother. In our Tamil tradition, the own mother is called Nal Thai, and the foster mother is Sevili. Here too, words Indra and Nal are put before Thai, the mother. The first word Indra means gave birth to, and the second word means good character of the mother. Here the epithet is given to the mother because a good mother's affection only is more precious and valuable than others. There may be bad mothers who won't have real affection towards their children. Therefore, to specify the good mother's love, the mother who gave birth to is specially pointed out. The mother's affection, when compared to the God's mercy, is infinite smell. The mother, out of ignorance, not knowing the real needs of the child, may do some harmful mistakes, but God is omnipresent and full of mercy. He himself is more attentively looking after the soul child, giving all life, body, and everything to live on continuously. Therefore, this divine love is most valuable one, and there is nothing comparable to it. The good mother's love too is a small drop taken from the boundless ocean of the divine grace. Our omnipresent God's giving out His power of mercy in some forms of attraction, attainment, fondling, loving, and gracing through different stages. His full grace or omni grace is set out at the Chirchabai or soul temple. In this place only we can get the full mercy of Him, Arutperenjodi, filling the whole space is coming to our knowledge from this soul space. This smallest soul space is full of Arutperenjodi light. So, when we make it our abode, we will experience the whole universal truth in this omni-gracious space of Chirchabai. His grace is concentrated fully. That grace is concentrated fully. That grace is now experienced as great Dayavu or Daeiou Dayavu. Arutperenjodi Dayavu. The space with the content in one supreme form is our divine Arutperenjodi. This omni-gracious light, infinite, is indeed the natural, permanent form of God. In each particle, the whole form of divinity is fully contained in a complete form for experiencing the whole self. With this basic truth and the omni-gracious divine attributes, all the creation, preservation, destruction, and inner evaluation and development are going on for millions of years. In the continuous process of divine development, a certain particle is receiving all atomic forms, inorganic and organic shapes, and living bodily forms. In the final stage, this human body gets endowed with that certain particle which is now known to our knowledge as a divine soul of omni-grace. But the experience that this grace is coming out after all the physical, vital, intellectual, and spiritual stage of experiences elapsed. Now, at the stage of gracious experience, it is realized that divine particle is filled by the infinite gracious light in and out. All the outer evolution and involution had successively changed divine light into body, life, and knowledge, and now the grace itself. Hence, the grace of the divine light has become our gracious knowledge to realize its reflex of the divine grace. The supreme attribute of this infinite light is now acknowledged as omni-grace, which is controlling from different shapes around it, all appearing and vanishing. The inner is supreme almighty power, which has rendered the outer gracious light into five stages of material body, vital life energy, intellectual knowledge, spiritual power, and divine grace. In the end, so when we refer to Lord Arutperenjodi, the Arul or grace is the inner supreme force, and Perenjodi forms the five stages resolved for realization. The Arutperenjodi God can be represented by Daya Perenjodi because Arul and Daya are synonymous. Therefore, when we take Daya Perenjodi, it is no other than Arutperenjodi itself. That Perenjodi is common to both. It is of five stages. From our fifth vowel of the Tamil along with V, a consonant that represents gracious form, we get the letter U, VU, which may be taken to point out our Perenjodi of omni-grace. Now we can see Dayavu. Thus, word Dayavu will be representing our Daya Perenjodi or Arutperenjodi. Next, heading Arutperenjodi, Thaniperum Karunai Arutperenjodi. Graceful Supreme Light, unique Supreme Compassion, graceful Supreme Light. As the Almighty has commanded us to take to the above mantra or divine formula, representing the divine truth knowledge with the experience of compassionate life, filled with bliss and satisfaction of joy, expressed by the discipline of compassionate service. Karunai as our only first soulful practice, sadhana, in the beginning to practice. Before soulful compassion is the chanting and realization of the above mantra as Dayavu has lifted Vallalar himself upon the supreme divine summit state of perfection of eternal blissful life with the oneness of universal right of singular soulful love and compassion as our goal. The word Dayavu means human mercy as well as divine love that is expressing from the innermost universe, that is VU. Therefore, this Dayavu is the inner and its continuation of the whole divine representation of God's full expression. What all we see in the external and ever-changing, while that which is in the innermost and which is actively working in the whole of the outermost are permanent and changeless. Between these two permanent states, the temporary universe is revolving. As long as we live in this temporary stage, we cannot realize the permanent one. To achieve the permanent life, we have to choose the Dayavu from the innermost. The spirit of Dayavu should be extended from soul temple to all coming around us. This way of living is Sudarshan Margam or Anaganeri. Anaga Margam is neither leading to inner point of driving to the outer, but it rests at the inner abode from where one is aware of the fact that his native is Daya light, which is spreading its rays forever. So he is also to spread his actions of Vu. Thus, he himself lives the life of Dayavu. Therefore, this Dayavu Margam is truly Anaganeri itself. For the convenience sake, the word Dayavu is spelled Daeiou, but pronounced as Dhayavu. D stands for our divine soul itself, and the five vowels Aeiou are five forces of Vu set in motion to make a blissful life. The Arutperenjodi in the Sirchabai has now yielded this great Dayavu for the whole humanity. Let all living beings live blissfully with the supreme discipline of non-killing or non-violence, feeding the poor and destitute over hunger and starvation with pure vegetarian food as shown in Vadalur Satyanya Dharmasalai, with ever-burning kitchen, with eternal fire of mercy, loving kindness அருள். அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி தனிப்பெரும் கருணை அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி தயவு.